Hello, and thank you for stopping by. Today I wanted to show you the facilities we have in our condominium. So this is the B1 level, and as you walk in, there's a door that leads into the party room, and this is the storage room. There's one washroom right there. Here are the tables for the party room. When you walk in, this is a laundry room. So here, let's say people have washer and dryer in their own suites, but if they do not work, the residents can come downstairs and use washer, which is a really big size one. All you have to do is put $2.25 per load. Here, someone is already washing here, and it's got 5 more minutes to go, and this machine is working very hard. If you also have, let's say, hand wash clothes, or you want to clean rugs from your kitchen, from your living room, you can bring them here. It's a big, like small tubs, I call them, and they're very deep. You get hot and cold water, and you can wash them here, rinse them here. So there's 2 of them. While your laundry is going on, you can have a seat. And here's the bulletin board. You can advertise something if you want to sell, buy, whatever the case might be. The garbage bins are here. This is another storage room. And here is the washer. Sorry, there's the washer area, here's the dryer area. So it's $2.25 per load for washing and $2.25 for drying. So this is a dryer. The instructions are on it. You just put the coins in here. You close the door, put your clothes in, and it automatically starts. Now you can choose what kind of setting would you like when you're drying your clothes. So there's 1, 2, 3, and this one is washer and dryer both together. So it looks like somebody donated to the laundry room. Now these premises do get monitored. There is a camera right there. They do get monitored, and in case, safety concern is the big priority here. And people come here, as I said, these are for residents only, to get inside to this facility. And I've used it many times because, when I have big blankets to wash, I just come downstairs. And the lights are censored, so when I leave, the lights will turn off automatically. And to have access, only residents have the card to open the door, so no one else from outside can come here. Okay, also wanted to show you, this is the sprinkler and pump room. Here is the party room for the residents only. You have to pay, I believe, $200. This one is lunch room, so that's for the cleaning staff. This one is electrical room for the building. And here is a gym area for the ladies. Again, I need to have access, and I tried today because I have not been here in ages, and my access is denied. Here is the men's gym area. Again, you need to have a card access. Sanitizers are here. In case of emergency, there are the stairwell that leads to outside. All right, thank you. And I thought I give you some information about the living in condominiums, the privileges we have. Thank you for stopping by, and have a great day.